I think that would be si Clarence ng Olongapo City. Kasi sobrang kulit niya and lahat kasi kilala niya. Lahat hine-hello niya, lahat sinasabi, alam mo yun, lahat binibiro niya. Parang hindi siya nauubusan ng energy.
Feeling ko si Raid. Basta kada nakikita ko siya, lagi niya akong binibiro ng kung ano-ano about sa gym.
Si Zambales. Siya ang roommate ko. So, si Zambales.
Clarence, he do have this jolly aura wherein he tend to be, he tend to make certain situation very funny, even in very serious situations. So I think it would be Clarence.
Para sa akin po si Gerald po, Gerald Castañeda, dahil napaka-playful po niya and napaka-friendly po niya.
I think si CK. So, meron po siyang parang joke na super inviting na vibe. So, every time he speaks, I think nakakatawa siya.
Joker, I think John Gindap. Because kasi lagi siyang alive, but lagi niyang ginagawang alive yung mga tao sa paligid niya and yung tawa niya kasi nakakahawa din.
Clarence. I like his humor and the way he makes everyone laugh. Yeah.
Si Gerald, hindi ko pa siya nakikilala ng full, pero kahit hindi kami nag-i-interact parehas, napapansin ko na palagi siya nagbibiro, ganyan, ayun.
Ako po. Kasi po, mahilig po ako mag-joke anytime sa activities namin and sometimes I do some stubborn stuff. So, nakakatawa po talaga yung mga eksena dito.
Si Jan, it would be CK, Marikina.
CK. For sure CK.
Si Clarence, dahil madalas ko siya nakakasama at nung hindi ko pa siya kilala, doon ko na napansin sa kanya yung idea.
Si Clarence, siya lagi yung madaldal, maingay.
It's Mervin La Canaria. Yeah. Because he's Joker, he likes to crack jokes when everyone is silent in the room. So he's there to just, random things that will surely make everyone laugh.
Jether. His IQ and his Riz, yung tipong, yung vibe niya, saka yung the way siya mag-isip is very funny and talagang nakakuha ng loob.
John, but somehow he is actually funny during the times that we are serious and during the times that we are feeling pressured about the activities that we are currently in. John is somehow helping us to be somehow confident about everything that we are doing.
Ako, ang pinaka-joker, isa dyan si Gerald Castañeda.
John, yung pinaka-joker kasi siya yung lagi kong kasama.
Si John Gindap, kasi every time na nakikita kami, always siyang nag-give ng simple joke pero natatawa talaga kami.
Si Raed po. As he has always a lot of jokes, even if kahit yun in English.
Oh, I would say definitely Clarence. He's the funniest between us all.
Raid. Kasi kahit hindi siya marunong mag-Tagalog, mahilig siyang makipaghalubilo sa tao.
John Gindap. Yes, because when he walks in the aisle and his smile is very charming, so dun pa lang is na-adapt na namin yung yung aura niya.
Gerald. Even though magkasama kami sa honestly, magkasama kami sa events, pero nung event day namin, hindi naman kami nagja-jive talaga. Dito lang sa Mr. Grand na mas nakilala ko siya na sobrang talaga siya, sobrang cool, sobrang joker na pagkakasama mo tong tao na to, parang hindi matatahimik yung buhay mo in a positive way naman yan.
Lahat naman sila okay, pero since pumasok ako dito sa Mr. Grand, ang naging ka-close ko talaga agad sila Jefferson.
Actually, marami po. Most of the candidate na na-encounter ko, like Lawrence, Aris,
Si Pampanga, kasi at first siya talaga yung naka-close ko and we had a lot of moments na joke time, asaran, and kulitan.
I think Darius.
I think si Jeffrey Montebon, since siya yung pinaka-approachable sa lahat, since nung the day one, siya talaga yung nauna kong nakausap sa lahat ng candidates. So I think siya talaga yung medyo joker din.
Si Albay po, totally. Siya po yung nakikita ko. Pinaka-funny na candidate na nakakasama ko lagi always.